Today I am thrifting at the Cotton Warehouse Antique Mall. Y'all, this place is huge. Literally thousands of square feet. Also, it's indoors, so rain or shine is open. So today I'm looking for items that I can resell, and I'm also looking for some furniture pieces for my new house. So let's have some fun and let's go thrifting. Ooh, this piece caught my eye. Pretty brass pitcher. I don't think I've ever found a brass pitcher this big. Solid brass, made in India. What is this? A giant goose? Goose flower planter, $25. Was this originally a decoy that you think somebody made into a planter? This is absolutely precious. This little bird creamer. Says Clinchfield Artware Pottery, hand painted, Tennessee. I think we need this. There's always something for everybody here. Ren loves the elephant and piggy books, and these are all 5 books for $10, and I don't think she has any of these, so I'm gonna get all of these for her. She's been reading a ton. Do y'all see what I see? Look at this swirl teapot. Oh my gosh, the crazing. This is gorgeous, and a stack of plates. The little creamer, it looks like the sugar dish is missing its lid, but that means it's a perfect opportunity to put some florals, and it looks amazing on this wood cutting board. You know what? I'm gonna get this whole set, but I'm not gonna keep it. I am actually going to give it away. Yes, you heard that correctly. I am going to be giving away all of that beautiful white swirl china, as well as that gorgeous handmade cutting board in my first Saturday Whatnot auction. So if you haven't been able to make it to any of my Whatnot auctions before, because I normally have them Thursday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, well, come join me this Saturday night. It is going to be so much fun. So everything that I'm shopping for today, plus more, will be in that auction, and anybody that purchases anything either in the auction or in the buy it now section can enter the buyer's appreciation giveaway to win that amazing set. So if you are brand new to Whatnot, make sure you use the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen, because you're going to be able to get a $15 credit to use on Whatnot. You can use it on my auction, you can use it on anyone else's, and if you have no clue what Whatnot is, y'all have got to come check it out. It is so much fun over there. So it's people like me going live all day long, 24 hours a day, y'all, 7 days a week, selling anything and everything. Me and my daughter might be a little addicted. We're always on Whatnot getting all kinds of amazing deals. So if you haven't checked it out, you definitely need to. Don't forget to use the link in my description so you can get your $15 credit. So let's get back to shopping, and I will see y'all Saturday night. It's a date. Here's some smalls. I actually found these napkin rings a few times before. They're a little set, a collection of 4 animals. Look at this cow creamer. He's crazed, he's cute. I think he's going in the cart. This booth has a mix of new and old. They have candles, they have artwork. Oh, actually, Ren has this piece on her desk. Oh, it's a little Avon vintage girl. She got it at an estate sale, and it's actually missing the little flower, hers. So she's just blowing into the air. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this duck picture right here. What is this? A McCoy. Y'all, this is a McCoy picture. I love it. Creamy white. Okay, this is coming home with us. This is adorable. Look at this little tiny oil lamp. Do I need it? No. Is it coming home with me? Yes. What is this? Gosh, look at all the bubbles and stuff and the glazing. I love this. It's ornate, pretty, glossy white, vintage ceramic pitcher. This is absolutely beautiful. And look at this little frog right here, or it's a turtle with a frog inside. That's gorgeous too. Vintage pottery turtle. Look at these pieces together. They look so good. Okay, I think we need both of these. I think I might be keeping this one for myself. One, this looks so good in my house. It has a lid, which is really pretty, but you could also take it off and just put some florals in there and use it as a vase. This booth is new and has some really cool pieces. Look how they hung their vintage linens right here. I like this, so you can kind of see everything, and it looks really pretty as well. Look at this giant clock over here. Anybody need a giant wall clock? And then I noticed these green turkey candy dishes. I found these before, but never in green. Oh my gosh, y'all. Milk glass hobnail fluted cake stand. That is so pretty. Look, more big clocks. They have this one, and then this one's really cute. That would be fun to do a whole gallery wall of clocks. This is my friend Jason's booth. I have not been here in a while, so I'm excited to see what he has. It looks like he has everything decked out in Americana theme decor, which I love. Look at these framed flags. That's so pretty. And then the Scrabble letters spelling out different stuff. Oh, look at these Batman rackets just in a bucket. That's really cute. So it's a set of 6 for $24. We got some pillows, lots of cute stuff. He has the Scrabble letters all over the place. Oh, look at the milk glass vases with the flags. I like that. I saw something else over here I wanted to show y'all. Ooh, what is this? That is pretty. Floral bowl with lid. Ooh, I might need that. Look at the color on it. It is gorgeous. Okay, these are just those little gold plastic frames, but he filled them with artwork. So all of that artwork that I find in vintage books, this would be perfect for that. Now I'm going to be on the lookout for some of these little frames. Let's take a closer look at this cute little piece. Oh, it's signed on the bottom. I can't read what it says, but I love that it's signed. Like I said, the colors are perfection, so this piece is going in the cart. You know, this giant brass piece caught my eye. You know what it is? It's a brass fireplace fan. I've never seen one of these before. Inside these embroidery hoops are actually canvas paintings. How pretty that is. I think I want to get one of these, and I'm thinking this one. I like the darker, moodier colors, and this mama chicken watching over her 2 baby chickens. Look at her. You better not mess with her babies. I see some gold bunnies. Look at this set. He's cute, but look, this one's a little shelf sitter. You know I can't pass these up, so these 2 are going in the cart. This is booth number 60, and I just noticed it has unpainted ceramic pieces. So if you want to come grab some and paint them, or you could just put a glossy coating on them. Look, the cute little bunny rabbit. Is this an alligator bank? Stop, I might need that. How much is that one? $12. He's so cute. Y'all, Santa mugs, even some winky Santa mugs. They have this size and this size. So cute. They got some big Christmas trees. Oh my gosh, I've thrifted that guy before. He was painted. These are amazing. Look, here's another fat bunny over here. This booth has some large furniture, including these beautiful teak lounge chairs. They are $75. I think that's a pretty good price. I feel like these go for a lot. And look how small they fold up. There's another one over there. And this print caught my eye. I actually just purchased art kind of similar to this for Ryan's room. I paid $150. This one's only $44.99. I do wish it had a gold frame. If it did, I might pick it up. That one might be a little bit difficult to paint. We got a bench. We got some newer furniture pieces. So yeah, this place has a little bit of everything. New, old, tons of stuff for everybody. Look at these cups. Look how pretty these are. Oh, this is Pioneer Woman. This is some newer stuff. I can't pass up a cute little rabbit. I love the watercolor painting on here. This looks like a Gail Pidman piece. I believe it is. Does that say 96? I've purchased one of her rabbits before, but it was huge. So I actually prefer the smaller one because it's easier to find a place for smaller items. This is my favorite booth, number 35. She always has the cutest stuff. Ooh, look at that mirror. That is gorgeous. Let's look at the price. $50. Her prices are always really great. Look at that moody print right there. Baby shoes. So much cute stuff. All right, let me look around, see what I can't live without. Well, this brush, can't live without that. What about this small stack of books? These are so hard to find. I don't think I can live without this. Look at this beautiful hand-painted chippy blue floral box. I love this. Oh yeah, I definitely can't live without this. I found these bubble glass jars in amber and green glass before, but never in white. I definitely need this one. This piece is gorgeous and full of crazing and staining, made in Japan. I don't see any chips on it. It's in really good condition. This piece is a little different, but something about it I just love. Mama and baby sheep, and it kind of looks like maybe chalkware. I'm not sure, but it looks great on a stack of books. I think it's coming home with us. This pie safe is really pretty. I like the detail on the doors right here. I do prefer glass on here. It has a screen on both sides, and I like when it has a drawer in the middle. This one is $3.75. I do have one more spot. I want to put a pie safe in the house, but I think this is just not quite the right one, but it's very pretty. My cart is looking so pretty. I found so many amazing items at the Cotton Warehouse today. Y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite. So many good smalls, so many beautiful pieces. If you are near Batesville, Mississippi, it's definitely worth coming out and give yourself a few hours because it takes a while to look around. And if you love any of these items, make sure you come check out my Whatnot sale, because all of these items will be available and the auctions are starting at $1. And if you purchase anything during that sale, you will be entered in the giveaway to get all of the squirrel right here. Oh, even this teapot. I hate to give it away, but I'm gonna give it away. And this beautiful wood cutting board right here. So y'all come check out my next Whatnot sale, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.